A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the Boss with another video. Please put a like, leave a comment, and we can get straight into this. Alright, so we always talk about relationship. And me hear some man say, the reason why enough women are foreign single because them love rule man. Me hear some women come out and say, some of them man them not make no sense, so them better being single. And me going to have some clips plus me telling you, so I'm going to follow up to the lady who did that talk on the platform last night. For her story plus one other lady story from her for the TikTok live. So stay tuned, grab a local juice and whatever, relax or turn on the Bluetooth and make this play. But first thing first, press the like button so it can recommend it on YouTube to more people. So, make we listen to these ladies and listen to this story after. Make we listen then.
Any lady or any girl who comes across this video, I'm here to encourage you to leave these dusty, crusty men alone, okay? I have not gone on a date in over 5 years. I have not texted no man, called no man, let no man breathe in my vicinity, none of that. And my life has elevated since then. I finished my 2-year master's degree. I moved abroad for 2 years. I traveled through Asia. I grew my hair to waist length. I cleared up my skin. My life has been on the up and up ever since I stopped dating and giving these crusty, dusty men time, okay? So ladies, girls, please leave them alone. Do better for yourself. You will elevate your life once you stop giving these men your time.
I always ask if man are there foreign. And the truth of the matter is man there, but some of them do not make no sense. I tell them the 3 dating encounters I've had. So I met this man. And he's like, oh, he want to carry me on a date. I'm like, okay, no problem. The man gonna come tell me, say, okay, one basketball game I keep. I'm gonna come at the basketball game. I'm like, okay, fine. Long story short, I think him I work security at the basketball game. So him tell me, so he must come at the gate. And he will let me in. I'm gonna go sit down. And when he get some free time, he come sit down beside me. That was the date he had planned. You know, we just block him right then and there. So because, what? Second, may I talk to one guy? And mind you, these are just like getting to know, not in a relationship, just getting to know the person. Met this guy on a dating site, talking to him. He's like, okay, come over to my house, come chill as the first date. I'm like, no, I don't know you from nowhere. Me watch Lana than SVU and Criminal Minds, and baby, man, I go over nobody else when me not comfortable. The man chase me off and tell me, say, a free meal. Me, I look outside him. I say, sir, I don't need to use it for a free meal. I go out and eat all the time by myself. Him say, well, him not spend no money for no woman where him just I get for no. I'm like, okay, that's fine. No problem. You know, I just block and keep it moving. Next guy, meet me on a dating site. The man start cuss me because, oh, you Jamaican woman, every time me meet you, no granny always, and I always I beg my money. Mind you, I know this man from the woman, never beg this man, nothing. We're literally just getting to know each other. And the man start chase me. You know, somebody does block him. From the time I'm traumatized from dating sites, I don't go back on another dating site because over there so is really in the trenches. One next beg me money for e-transfer for buy some makeup and buy groceries. And I said no. And him compare me to him white woman. I said the white woman where I talk to, would I do this? Baby, me can compare with it. Me can't compete with the white woman. Me cannot compete with the white woman. White woman mind man like dog. And me can't mind man like dog. So right then and there, she kick on my foot. It's okay, baby, she got it. So you know who stop talking to him because, excuse me? So when you only ear will say, man shot a foreigner, man are there foreign, and I lie, the pickings over here is very small, especially in Canada.
Right now, we're currently trying to negotiate with the government of Canada to bring in some more Jamaicans in the country. Because so many single ladies out here in Ontario cannot find a boyfriend to save them life. So we don't only need Jamaicans to be on the farm working. We need Jamaicans to fill that gap, empty space that the woman them can't find any man in Canada. So that's what we in the process of doing right now. So like I said, we're currently talking with the government of Canada to bring in some more Jamaicans. Lots of more Jamaican is needed in Canada to fill that void of loneliness with the Canadian ladies, whether them snow bunny, Chinese, Indian, black, whatever. We need more people, Jamaicans in the country right now. So we ain't talking with the government. Alright, what is I doing here, son?
We have met bad things that joke and I'm telling so we're currently in the talking of getting. Anyway, ladies, comment below why you're not single in Canada and America, even Jamaica, why you're not single? You don't see no man out there? What? You think now in the dating world, God? Look into it. A man have a lot of choice, especially when a man have him thing together. He have a lot of choice. Can pick choose and refuse. Because a woman want a man where have things, have something. The one them when I have nothing that cook them supper. But you see, true them have so many choice, them end up have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 women and then they want to circle. Some of them. And now you have the ladies them will accomplish and want a good man by their side. Them no man no want them now, cause them a man you see true them have for them thing, then they're ready for circle, then still want to run wild. You understand? And the dating world change, ladies. Me I tell you no, the dating world change. I'm gonna tell you no one thing when I realize, enough of the big man them out there, them want younger girls. Then tell themselves so them young said we and they want to feel like a man look at me and say it's by nature. Why the big man they want younger girls? I don't know what go on. Remember one time 58-year-old they with 58-year-old, 60 they with 60, 40 they with 40. Now we change. If you check out my dating show, enough of the big man they call him at 50. They don't want nobody why 50 at 60 or some. You can put me can count on my finger like 1 or 2, 3, 4 man, but majority of them, me have one on my show. If you don't watch me live, in come on and he say one woman in my 54, she have to be 30s, don't have no kids, and she want her to have the first child for him and one bag of something. So the dating world messed up your ladies. So no do no, I just the way how the pool around now. I think maybe it's for Caribbean men and not the whole world. I cannot speak for the whole world, but I all the time talk for our diaspora. Okay? So let me know what you think below. Anyway, when we continue the lady's story from over TikTok with why she end up say marriage is just a piece of paper and she got through one little thing. Plus me have another lady where call in and talk about fear relationship with a younger guy. So I could buckle up and listen to them story. I like the video guys, I could listen.
Married now for a year and a couple of months. I want to get a divorce. I do.
But
Me not nobody.
Why you don't
Eh?
want to divorce him? Why you don't want to divorce him?
No, I want to I'm going to divorce him, but me don't want him get no pension from me. You understand? Because I was reading that you have to be with somebody for a certain amount of years for them to accumulate any assets.
Well on then, let me say something to you. We stay today.
In Maryland.
Maryland. When we get to understand with America, every state have different rules.
Yeah, them have
Yes.
different rules. Yeah.
Yes.
Why didn't you get a prenup? What is it, prenup? Why didn't you do
Yeah.
that?
I didn't. Who was that? Kara, someone come in the box. I want to hear from you. You say ASAP. Because, a lot of women on here been through it before. Me no want him get nothing from me MIXUP boss. So me tell you, the only thing he can get from me is the truck when me buy. You understand? So
And you get that in the marriage.
no, I bought a truck after we got married for him to
Right.
get around. See, 2 days after we got married, he was texting. Listen, my story is so wicked. This man had his woman when he used to talk to in our wedding. He insisted on her being in our wedding. About 4 days later, he was texting her saying, "Oh, it kills me not being with you." And I'm like, what is this? That's why I tell you, say some man wicked,
They are.
Them man are wicked,
They are. But let me tell you something. You leave them to time. You have the upper hand right now. Don't sit down with it and say, "Oh, me want." Do it. Divorce him and show him that you are in control.
And don't care what people say. Don't care what people look at you and say. That's why
I mean, I don't really care about that. It's just
just
that
find out the law and divorce him, right?
me-
Immigration.
at this point, I don't even business because I just need to get along with my life.
Yeah, but in order for you can't say you don't care, because if he's vindictive like this, he can
Yeah.
come back and say, "Oh, him want this, him want that, him want this, him want that." So you have the upper hand now. You're not married for 2 years. Divorce him. Divorce him and move on with your life. And then when you divorce him, find self-search. Find
And he's gonna
something
tell me,
different.
"Oh, you're old." Like since you left, I have so many people chasing me. Like you
No,
crazy.
don't listen. Listen, you
Oh, I
have
already
to
know that.
understand that hurt people hurt people. That's what it is. After I got divorced, I had to find myself. I have to do soul searching. I had to love me, understand what is my worth, understand what I need to know, what I need as a woman. You understand what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, people will talk all they want to talk because no matter how you old, no matter how him say you this, you that, he was with you. Don't worry about the negativity. Don't worry. The most important thing is about you finding yourself, you finding your worth, and finding back peace.
You know
You
the
don't want.
reason why I haven't got a divorce? Because I'm worried about my assets. I'm worried about I have so many things that
Somebody
I
said
already
it in the
built.
comments.
You
No, you don't.
understand?
But what I'm
I am
saying
worried
is,
about my
no.
401k.
But
I'm worried about my TSP accounts. I'm worried about so many things,
so
you know.
you know close that already.
Me already do some things.
Listen to me. You have to inbox me. Me can't talk certain things from the ear, but you
Yeah,
have to
certain things we
inbox
not
me.
talk. I'm good over here, listen and I laugh. I say, watch me now later. So, you want to know
You
what
have
it
to
is.
inbox me.
Okay, I followed you.
Miss
Yeah,
J, question.
inbox
Yeah.
me and I will tell you
How
what to
old
do
was this
because
guy?
I'm
Because
telling
somebody
you,
say,
you
you
have the
Huh?
upper
mentioned that he
hand,
was younger.
sweetheart.
Now you're 45
My
and
my husband's
you not consider,
26.
Oh
oh,
no, no,
26.
no. My
And when
husband
I
way older
first
than that.
listen, when I first met him, very mature, very mature. Let me tell you, very mature. I didn't have nothing negative. Very mature, responsible. But after we got married, I'm like seeing like this guy is very immature. You
That's it.
know?
That's it. I'm going to say this. On the channel,
Yeah.
I love the people who when they do foolishness. I'm going to say this to you, upon here. Who tell us saying it's a 20-year gap marriage is going to work?
It works for a lot of people, and I wasn't thinking about it not working.
That's it. The guy is 26. Come on. Me I reason now. Cause come I can watch my channel and understand this. Let me teach you. If somebody at 26 and you're 45, the brother then live in life yet, you know. What you
Yeah,
think
I
you
was
do?
No.
8 years older than my ex-husband.
Come on, Miss J. So you make a big red flag, there's a mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to get being for that. That guy is too immature. Yeah,
Yeah,
some
I
people
sometimes you
will
have to
look for
already
take
you and tell us that you're too old. You're
accountability.
not old. Oh, 45 should be old. That's how I said to
No,
myself.
Okay.
45?
sometimes it's like, you know, when you see someone put up a front
Yeah.
and you see that they're mature, because he didn't act his age at all, you know. You do have people that are 50 that act immature, and it's not madness, it's just at the time that's the facade of what he showed. So after you got married, now you're like, damn, you know,
Miss
what
J, let
was
me
I
tell you this. I
thinking?
am 43 years old and I would never marry that woman right now, whether Jamaica or America, that is 26 or 25. Because I know we're going to have problem in the long term. He not do old
Right.
yet. He not experience certain things yet. So I'm not ready for no committed relationship just yet.
yeah.
You know what? Abby keeps coming for me. Like, Abby, what is it, sweetheart? He was
Don't,
26, you're 45. You should
don't,
have had wisdom. First of all, I have plenty of wisdom. People do
don't
make
pay the
mistakes.
comments no mind. No pay the
Yeah, she's
comments no
doing
Come
too
on, pay
mind.
much.
attention to me. I mean, I
Yeah,
chance.
no
Which
pay the
comments?
She's
comments no
doing too
mind.
much.
Everybody experience is
Yeah.
different.
Abby, go sit down.
No pay the comments no mind.
Not pay the comments of mine. Because let me tell you this. I have enough big man who are 65, take up woman who are 30, and believe say, yes, it's going to be smooth and sailing. And then company show a ball. And the woman then
But
say, yeah,
my
man,
thing
if
is,
you look
what
at
is the
age.
difference between a 65-year-old marrying a 30-year-old and they live happily ever after, and me getting married to somebody I thought that, you understand, was supportive, because that's what he showed. So I'm going based off what
Yeah.
he showed.
And let
Tell
me
you
tell you
as what it
something, you know,
is.
you have Jamaican man them, you know, me mama, when them mouth
Them
sweet like
sweet.
a sugar, me
Yeah.
And
pussy.
that's why I told me, say, one 26-year-old, have them the sugar mouth, they forget a 45-year-old.
Yeah.
And
So sweet.
in skill. Can we
I
expect a
mean, the
old
thing
woman
about
to,
it is,
yeah?
my thing is, what's done is done. I'm not worried about it.
Exactly.
I'm just move
Just
on with the
move
process.
forward.
That's it.
True, true. We live and we
Yeah,
learn.
just
Long
move
time they say.
Yeah,
forward.
that's it.
Forward.
Yeah, yeah.
Just move forward. Yeah, but you can overcome this and you
Of
will get
course.
better.
Girl
I know,
already
I
moved on.
understand that right now you're hurt, but don't define marriage as just a paper or what it is. Marriage is beautiful. And let me tell you something. I want to get married, and I will get married again. I will.
And
But
you
me
know,
just not married to another Jamaican man.
I know, I learned from this podcast. Even though Miss J come and she was saying marriage is a piece of paper. When we learn with a lot of persons who come in the box and them have, like them talk against certain things, them have a story. So if you never
Exactly.
come now and talk, so you have a story, but I say, oh, me understand where she coming from now.
Yeah.
You understand? So,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, man, and thanks to come out and talk. It shed two light on the next woman who go through similar thing and know, so yeah.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something, Mix Up Boss. I have evolved. I am very successful. I'm very smart. I'm intelligent. I don't have any problem talking about trauma or talking about what I've been through because that's the way you overcome things. What
Yes,
people
that's
have to
it.
say about me, I don't care because at the end of the day, nobody knows me. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm on TikTok. I get it. But personally, you don't know my lifestyle. Me couldn't take care of him and his whole family. And that me I tell you. They come and make more than 6 figures. And what?
Realize that.
Okay.
K-Bless, if you add her, K-Bless, may I try add her by your profile up on private or something, so send me a request.
Alright, yeah, Miss J, you take a risk and it didn't work.
And
That's
it's
it.
Exactly.
you happen to enough
Yeah.
man,
Yeah.
and Miss
Just at
J,
the
you
end
happen
of
to
the
man more
day.
than you, yeah? You happen to enough man more than woman. Enough man come from my channel a ball, and when me ask them my age, then say, oh, she you know, say 29, but me say me I go try, me say, yeah man, brother, you know I go work, you got wrong. You see,
Right.
that is not new for me, because I cover all of these stories. Who else want to come in our box? So I don't know before who else.
Don't give up
K-Bless.
on marriage. Just right now, you're hurt. Just deal with yourself, sort yourself out, and just travel. That's what I've been doing. I've been traveling,
Oh
doing a lot
yes,
of solo
I've been
trips.
doing that as well.
I just came
So
back from Mexico. I had a good time.
really
I'm just
nice.
enjoying myself. Just enjoy life. Trust me, just enjoy life. Don't worry about meeting. The right person will find you. But
Oh
divorce
yeah.
first. Make sure you divorce first. Cause when me tell us, me fear God not till that me no want no married man. Once he says separated, engaged, me run like nobody's business.
All right, let me
No,
try
me.
add two of these new caller. Let me add
Alright.
K-Bless
Alright,
and
bless up
Nancy.
yourself. Take it easy.
All
You
right,
dep
I'm
on the
gonna get out
slavery.
of the
Yeah,
comment.
Alright,
all right,
cool.
Miss J, yeah, you can come down now.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thanks. Yeah. All right, go
Good
on.
morning,
Morning. Yeah.
Mr. J and others. There's nothing wrong with marrying younger, right? Mix up boss, there's nothing wrong. I know a lot, and people don't talk about the successful relationships that females marry younger. They don't come out. And I've said to a lot of persons who I know who have been going 10, 15 years with their younger mate, come out and talk, right? It's only when um, disappointment happens, somebody do it and it don't work out, then people talk about it. But there are a lot, I know a lot in the church. As a matter of fact, from what I'm seeing, younger men are far more mature than the middle age older men, right?
Some. Use the
This
word some.
some, well, let me
Yeah.
say some, because um, what I'm seeing for the middle age and most of the older men, they grew up in the era where promiscuity was the norm, right? Mommy stay home, daddy go out there and go have multiple women, and mommy can't say nothing, bring even children come home, and that's the era a lot of these men grew up in. That's why they say they love submissive women, and that's why they will go and date younger, because a lot of younger girls don't understand, they don't yet understand what life is,
Only thing
right?
an older
So
man can use to attract a woman and money. Nothing else. Point blank. So I couldn't fool
time
myself
blank,
over here. Okay? So now
exactly.
we make it sound like yes, an older man I naturally love a girl, and a younger girl I gonna naturally love a older man. He must have something to bring to the table that can make our life better. Truth is truth. And that we
Yes, I
all right, hold
agree.
on. Let me get K-Bless and then let me make you talk again. K-Bless, morning.
Morning.
Yeah, what go on.
Morning. I'm just listening to the chat and I was just listening to the age gap difference. And I wanted to ask if people are in their 40s, do they go 10 years younger?
10
Like
years
for
no bad.
instance, for
10
you,
years.
you're in your 40s, is it mix up us?
But I date a 34-year-old. 35.
You would. You'd marry a 35-year-old woman.
Depends with the condition. I'm not one who strongly believe in a marriage with certain reasons where we can discuss now. Because I don't want to go off topic.
Okay. Yeah, because I was listening and I'm listening to everybody's view about younger, older, this, that, the other. I think it just depends on the person, their upbringing, their way of life, their mindset, whether they're younger or older. But I think there should be a limit in how much younger. I would
That could be
say
a
10
limit.
years younger.
Yeah, man. 10 years is not, man. Even 15 not so
Yeah.
bad. 15 not so bad.
And
But
it's
for
sometimes,
me,
a lot of the time, people are not using their common sense. They're just using their feelings, how they feel. They feel like this and they feel like it's genuine and it made them feel like this, but they're not using their common sense, and that's why they're getting caught out.
all right, for example, now, with Miss J case, Miss J mentioned
Hmm.
that she provides for family and everybody. So maybe that guy talk to Miss J based on what Miss J was
Well,
doing for him.
I think that she should never have done that in the first place, because when you married that man, he's supposed to be your provider. I'm not saying that you cannot, because it is 2025, you're supposed to build together and work together. If you fall short, you're supposed to be there for your husband, yes. But you shouldn't set a standard where you're providing for him and his family. That is not what your role is as a woman and as a wife. I do not believe.
But we know we all are
As a
humans
husband,
and we make
because
mistakes
then,
and she learn from it. So I guess she
yeah,
not gonna ever make that again. And all of we make mistake. Even you as woman, maybe you have a child now and the baby father and you are not together. When you did plan so
yep.
you not got married and you know work out. It was the biggest mistake of your life and you hate him but you love your pitney. So
Yeah,
you
you
know,
can have the mistakes, but at the same
yeah,
time, it's how far you'll allow these mistakes to go. Because if you're providing for him and you're providing for his family, then what is your expectation from this man who's supposed to be your husband? You can't then say he's fallen short when you've already set the expectation by behaving and doing certain things already. You've put it in place from the beginning.
the lady come on here and spoke said thing the other day. She said, "Oh, you start the relationship, I saw it got end."
Yeah.
So what you say, me totally agree. All right, big up yourself. All right, thanks for your 2 cents.
All right. Big up, big up.
None? Yeah, big up, yeah. Follow the page. Anybody have a story on the inbox me, we can discuss it privately and then we play it on here. And we can follow the YouTube page. The YouTube is a bigger platform than this. Most of these stories are from the YouTube page. And we bring it across in a one different cycle of a TikTok. All right? So follow the page. Big up yourself. Nancy, you can talk again before me take you down. Anything
Yeah,
else you want to address?
I was I was just about the same thing that I was Cable said. It's how you start the relationship, right? Initially, you lay out finances. You said, "Look here, you are gonna be the provider." So immediately, if they're coming to you for finance because of finance, they're gonna leave. You
All
understand?
right,
Because
well,
that's
let me
not what
correct
they
something.
want.
Nancy, let me correct something. Well, let me correct something. Miss J never said she took care of him. She said she could have taken care of his whole family. Okay, so we get that straight. She never said she take care of the family. She said she in a one position where she could have take care of everybody. Understand? But me know, as she as the older person who making the money, she have to be taking care of the husband. I'm not get panning feet. Understand? That is naturally. All right, go
But
on, Nancy.
um,
Yeah.
mix up boss, I've seen where, all right, for example, I am in a relationship with a younger guy, and what I do, I guide him, right? He was when he get paid, he used to party and so on, and I sit with him and said, "Look, this is how you're gonna start your partner. You're gonna do this and you're gonna do that." And every week, every month when he get paid,
Well, why the
he
age gap? Why the age gap? 'Cause you have to talk with people. And so.
13 years.
13. Oh, 13 not bad.
Right?
13 not bad. Yeah.
But that's what I'm saying. Guide them. Some people will say, okay, after he get on his feet, he might leave. Okay, he does not leave with your money. That's the key. So it hurts less. You understand? He leaves with it. You encourage him to build himself.
Say my hobby, yo.
Of course. The
Okay.
very nice guy. He helps to cook, wash, clean, do everything.
Ooh.
Right? If you see me washing dishes, he'll come and join in. He's currently building his house from his partner money. He's do everything.
Which part of my Billy house? Jamaica?
Yes, Jamaica.
Are you there foreign?
No, I'm in Jamaica as well.
Oh, Jamaica, nice. I think me have a couple from Jamaica going good. Me don't know. Me
You
think
understand? So this is what I'm saying. People don't talk about the success stories. Most time they come to you when there are disappointments.
make have a couple successful story, man. But people don't want to hear that. They say, oh, boring. They like when man and woman are rip one another apart.
Nah, nah, nah.
No,
It
that's
does
the
not.
media. That is social media for you. Positive
Well,
things, they don't really
it,
want. They want
it
to hear
not
the negative.
always go that way. So I can share my success story. Good guy, caring. At the moment, today is Sunday, he's out in the yard, cutting the yard, and more. And it's 3.5 years in the making. And I have never go in my pocket and take out $1 and say, never.
So you and him have kids together?
No, 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 no,
Him have
no.
15 kids and you have yours.
He does not have any, and I don't want any more. I
Oh,
have
oh
one.
God, you got a problem further down in the years. Jesus,
Well,
God. Look how me put me hands
that's
on my head. Look at me, look. Lord Jesus, me know where this a go. So what I so if him go out there now, suppose the man say, yo, I want me youth and he go breed with a young girl now. What you go do?
Well, if that's just how it goes, I told him that if that's the case, as I said initially, I told him I have one and I don't want any more, right? Financially, we sat down and we laid the cards on the table. I said, you have to be responsible for yourself, also help to take care. Although I'm financially independent, I'm doing okay, you have to play your role as a man. You understand me?
So
And so
glad.
far, it's almost 3 years and it's going fine. As the paycheck land in the bank, he took out mine for the house and he come and say, children, if it reached to that point, I'm okay with him going. I told him that all the time, but it never comes up. He said, if it happen, it happen. If it not happen, but no, because he see the expense. Because my daughter go to top school and him see that even September gone hundreds of thousands to get, and he just scare him. He say, boy, I so picnic expensive.
What I mean,
But
okay,
if it happen,
expensive. So how old is he? Why age group? 30s or 40s?
early 30s.
Early 30s. Oh. He still can't get in youth, man. But and something where if him, cause let me tell you, I get my son when me 35. Cause when me in my 31, 32, me still I try find my way. Me could find my way. So him still have time. So he can take time and build himself and you have to have a mindset and ready to be a father. You can't just say I want to breed woman and have picnic. Enough Jamaican men, that's a mentality. Oh, you not breed something. Yo, dog, if you breed something now, no, breed something I want, but being a father figure too. So we have this culture where if you not breed nobody, oh, what? We then call it gelding and gelding
Yeah,
truck. And enough of man then with a gelding truck a better father. Enough of man then where claims that they're not upon a gelding truck is just a sperm donor. Yeah.
that's true. But
So
I'm just trying to say for everybody who are pushing out younger men, older women, and think it's all about the money. I just come to lend my 2 cents. That is not always the case. You have real good men, especially, and I highlight this, and my mother always tell me this. You see, those who grew up with mother and father union in the home, they are more prone to want that type of setting because that's what they grew up and see their parents together for how many years. You understand me? It's a lot of times they
yeah,
want to
that's
see
true.
that.
That is true. And I think that is something we're missing out of our culture. We don't see like family, mother and father raise kids together again like one time. I be a single mother, single father. And so the kids then grow up with that mentality. Say, oh, I see my mother grew up me so, or my father grew up me so we can grow up with the way they. So I have a lot to do with it. But we'll touch on them topic.
I have a question. Mix up, boss. I have a question for Nancy.
Nancy,
Go
yeah.
ahead.
Because I know you were saying that the guy, you're like 13 years older than him, right?
Yeah.
So let me ask you, I'm just asking because just to kind of understand, what do you gain from that relationship with him, with the age gap?
A, a lot. And I can tell you, I've gained so. All right, for example, I was opening a new business the other day. He's the one that took care of everything. He goes there and he's the one that take care of the workmen. He's doing his part, which I would have to pay for that. You understand me? I would have to pay for that. He
Oh,
plays the role of a man.
right, right.
You understand? So gaining don't financial mean he's gonna buy a car or so on. I mean
No, I'm not talking financially because I kind of understand that that's not the case with you.
that's
You know,
But I'm
what
talking about
hey, man, nah, lie.
communication.
Nancy, I one smart woman. Here where I rate
that
Nancy. Nancy says she's sitting down when he getting money and tell him how the money are going to go and how it to go. Nancy smart.
of
Nancy I
course.
teach him how to be a leader.
I mean, not
How to be a
teachable. It's
leader.
teachable.
So
He's
these are
learned
the
a
man
lot
them
from
have
me,
this
and
floor
that's
with
what
them, with the man then this them, then I sit down with them and show them how to be a leader, and especially the younger one then.
exactly.
So
But remember,
Exactly.
Nancy I said.
Because mix up boss, there is this fear that if I teach him, he's gonna leave. So a lot of the women keep them in the dark, right?
but
And it's for me, it's teach you how to fish rather than give you a fish.
Yes.
Nancy, remember that all of them are not teachable. A lot of them don't want to listen because they be like, I'm the man. I don't have to listen to what you have to say. So you
Well,
get
if
somebody
that
who's
Well,
teachable.
under Nancy roof? No. Not
no,
under
if that's
Nancy
the
roof.
case, I would run. I would run. For example, the first time I said, all right, you're getting this, plus he does deliveries, you get additional money when you go. I said, do this partner based on, when you do delivery. So you know, all right, if you're throwing a $10,000 a month at the partner, you do more than enough deliveries to, cover that. All right. He said, okay. We go to the bank and he opened his partner account. You understand? So there's no problem. If he said no and so on, then I mean that would be a red flag. I'm sorry, you don't want to go anywhere in life. You couldn't continue with me. You understand? So a lot of these youngsters, rather than use them and have this great expectation, we can teach them.
That's true at Jamaica. Me feel say if he did there fine, you could control him. That's how you
Well,
know, control me with my money. Yo,
Why mix up,
no,
boss? I'm tired
mix
of
up boss,
teaching.
never a woman, never a story. I regular hear that.
but
Mix up,
sexy,
boss.
sexy stallion, I'll say this to you, right? From a psychological point of view, it helps you to know how far to go. You understand? Because if you're teaching someone and they're not learning, why continue?
Somebody said then why have parents? You have to understand a lot of parents they really teach kids certain things and then just provide and work and that's it. And it boils down to the household where you grew up in again, guys. So you have to
That is
understand.
it.
Enough woman teach man how to save and become a man. Enough man teach woman how to become an entrepreneur and be a better woman. So I say we have to teach each other. Because no matter what mother teach you, our father teach you. When we go out in the streets, it's a different world. Alright? Especially in relationships. And every relationship you come out and you learn something from it, whether bad or good. Wrong, am I right, guys?
That's true.
Yes.
That's true.
Because that's where you gain experience. So Miss J, she gain her experience dating a younger guy. Would she go down that road again? Maybe not. You understand? And the list goes on. So you got the guy on the story, on the prompt, him get the experience dating a woman who legally married but separated. Would he do it again? Maybe not. So that's how we learn from our mistake. And we become a stronger person and a better person. And we know what we are going to look for in our life next. So that's how we see. We have to make mistakes to learn. When a kid just start creeping, start practice to walk, and first step off in drop, don't it?
That is it.
And he put up back himself again and he walk. That's how we learn. That's our
Well,
relationship.
this is my first time, and I have no problem so far. And I'm telling you, it is so much better than when I dated older. For example, the things that the older guys expect of you, them now wash plate, them expect you to sit down, cut them ten, you bring them the
That's true.
dinner, whatever.
That's true. Yeah. Housewife, come and look. That's true.
Yes. These
That's
younger
true.
guys they will come. I mean, if he sees me doing anything, sometimes he'll say, Take the broom. If I'm cleaning it, take it and say, go sit down. Go rest yourself. And man, go rest, man. You know, that kind of thing.
One nice little countryman, hold on there, a countryman this, where you come from?
Nice countryman should have, man.
Oh God, there you go. We know on a Spanish town and Kingston. Thank you, Jesus.
I thought me answer.
Thank you, Jesus. Me know if I share that say.
And he's very
God, him not let you go, mommy. And him not give you a bun. You lick it drop.
No. As he leave work, him come out, before we met, his boss he used to stop at the workplace and play dominoes in the evening. So now they tease him and says he leave work, he won't go home. Almost 3 years. As him leave work, him come home. As a matter of fact, sometimes he's going out. If I'm not busy, him beg, come with me, no, please. He would do anything for me to come. That's what I have.
Okay. I mean, no, a bedroom good too.
Oh Lord, don't look how good. Very excellent. Oh,
Better with a younger guy.
I don't. That's why I don't talk much about it.
It better be good. It don't be like a waste of time.
When I have, I am okay. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Yeah, for real.
I'm happy with it.
Well, I wish you all the best. And I hope one day you call me and say, mix up boss, we are married. Me I invite you. I just jump in the car and take it all and come up there. All right?
It's that type of settling down kind of guy. You talk about marriage, you know, settling down.
Yeah, man, when you're married, invite me. I want to come. All right?
All right, mix up.
Big up on yourself. Now go put on the pizza now, because you know it's a time
All right,
ago.
mix up, boss.
All right? Tomorrow again.
Sunday.
Happy Sunday to you, to Sexy Star.
All right, nice to you and your relationship. May it last forever.
Yes,
yes. All right. Bye-bye. Yeah, man. So as to say that, guys, wow, what a Sunday. Well, me make up for a couple of days and we never, last time I came on here was when? Wednesday. And sit down and get 2 for 1. Thank Jesus. Only get 2 for 1. So that's how you go. Alright, dear man, I hope you find a nice wife. Oh, God, wife. You could say, I hope I find a nice woman. Why make you have to put the wife beside it? I'm afraid of this wife thing. I'm afraid of this. How this Scott boss? Scott, me I give you one compliment. Scott, you try add me and come off for a while ago. Come on, man. I have some things to go do now. I try add Scott again. Scott, I last try this. Come. I lost somebody for your show. Single woman live longer. Lord God. Scott, each time I try add, you not add, bro. I try again. If you not add, just wait till tomorrow. Request cancelled. I don't know what going. Now come on fire now, man. They are fire from 7:39. Me hear what Scott I say. Scott. The divorce rate is high.
Morning, my general.
Yes, Scott, where are you?
My there, man. I'm looking for someone. I'm looking for a woman.
Oh, you're looking for a relationship?
Yes, sir, bro.
Oh, where you texting from?
Jamaica, Kingston.
Kingston, you look like African, man.
No, me an African.
You look like African, man. You look like them Nigerian, man, and sound like one.
No, bro.
Oh, yeah. You have a Jamaican in here. You have little African in your ancestry still. Maybe your mother or father.
No, so it's like, alright, I'm Melbourne, I'm my last name, but kind of mixed with background genes.
Oh, okay. So, we want a woman from America, Jamaica, Canada, or Haiti, are we?
No, Canada or US, whichever.
We have one lady, nice brown, sexy lady. She's from Haiti. I don't know if you want her.
Haiti. Alright.
But you have to travel go over there now.
Okay.
You willing to travel go Haiti? Meet her?
Yeah.
You don't really go Haiti now, brother? You know them the crisis there?
What say, man?
Come on, can I hear me say good?
Yeah, I'm not good at something.
Oh, make she stay about with her work with her. So you're how much? How old are you, my G? How old are you now? You like pause, not asking so. Nah, get him. Scott want a woman to write it. And at time raining now, no? I be a rain a fall, so. Scott, you have to add more on different day, man, because you slow me thing. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for your support. I'm out. Happy new month. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Remember the 10th of my birthday. Bye-bye.